Question 4 asks us to find the first three terms in the expansion of this binomial in ascending powers of x. Ascending powers means that the powers are going from a small value to a larger value. In this case, we're looking for the first three terms. This means that x to the power of 0, x to the power of 1, and x to the power of 2. These are the terms we're looking for. So now I'm just going to rewrite the question down and then just write down the way in which you do any binomial equation. So the way I do it is 4c0, which this value always matches the value of the number on top of the x term. So in this case, this value will match negative 3x. So over here, we're going to have negative 3x 0, and then you're going to have 1 to the power of 4. Remember that this value and this value should always add up to being equal to 4 in this scenario, because this is the power of the binomial. So the second one would look something like this. Notice how this value and this value are still matching, and notice how this one and this one still add up to being 4. Now I'm going to write down the last one. Okay, now that I've written down all of the values we're looking for, you can just put them in the calculator and find out their answer. So for the first value, we would have 1, and it would be x to the power of 0, but since x to the power of 0 is 1 anyways, we don't really need to write that down. The next one would be negative 12x. The x would have the power of 1. And the last one would be 54x to the power of 2, which matches with the value over here for x. So our answer would be 1 minus 12x plus 54x squared. And these are our first three terms of the expansion.